Is your septic tank full and backing up into your toilets? Are you afraid your next flush may be your last? Has your pumper told you that you may need a new drain field, costing you thousands of dollars? This is an emergency! But did you know that you can restore the system yourself for just a few dollars? Sure, it's quick and inexpensive with Roebic K-57 Septic System Cleaner. When in use, organic debris and other solids tend to escape from your septic tank and deposit themselves in your drain field. This can happen over many years, or in just a few months if your system is not operating efficiently. Commonly, it is this built-up material that is the cause of your clogs, backups, and many other septic problems. With just one bottle of Roebic K-57 Septic System Cleaner flushed down your toilet, our powerful bacteria begin to break up the problem-causing organic debris and begin to restore your flow. So save yourself thousands. Put Roebic K-57 Septic System Cleaner to work for you today. Visit our website to learn about our septic system maintenance program and our full line of products at Roebic.com. Made in the USA since 1959.